Oh my God, Richard won another trip.
Holy smokes, yeah.
I know.
Well, sir, thank you guys so much.
No problem. Who is this?
This is Richard Norris from Melbourne.
Richard, congratulations. You're boarding flight 105 headed to New York.
Richard, you gotta take me.
Intimate performance by Lenny Kravitz.
You guys have made my day.
Yeah, there's only one bad thing. You've got so many friends. You gotta pick one person.
Believe you me, they're all vying for it right now.
Awesome, man.
You gotta say me. I even have a lady telling me she's gotta go. I don't know if my wife can be okay with that.
Everybody's vying, but only one city.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you guys so much.
Glad you won. It's powered by Samsung and AT&T. You're going to Lenny Kravitz,
Awesome.
New York City. I don't think you understand what's going on. I mean, this is a private performance. It's like in an airplane hangar. It's something
No
completely
way.
different than you've ever seen.
yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh, that is so wild. Man, we went to a private concert at your guys' place there, but that's the only time I've ever had a private type concert. That is so cool.
Well, I'm glad you won.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, tomorrow.